Hey, welcome to this obligatory introduction lecture. I just want to take a quick moment to introduce myself and to give you a quick breakdown of what to expect in this course, who it's for, and how you should take it in order to get the most out of it. If there's one thing I can tell you about real estate investing, it's that there is a lot to cover. This course is not going to be able to cover everything there is to know, and it's not meant to. All right, so this course is designed for those with little to zero real estate background. If you already have a significant background and a lot of real estate experience already, this isn't for you. This may at most be a quick refresher if you have that kind of background already. If you do, I encourage you to check out my more advanced course, How to Evaluate Real Estate Investment Opportunities, to get a look at some detailed case studies and investment scenarios where you'll learn some advanced deal structuring as well as how to analyze and interpret different investment opportunities. All right, now right off the bat here, we're going to get your feet wet with a case study involving Joe. Now don't worry if you're not going to be able to follow everything exactly. We just want to introduce you some of the concepts that you're going to see later in this course. There will be some math involved. You're not going to be able to properly look at an investment opportunity if you don't know how to look at the numbers. There's no way around it. So we're going to do some math, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through it slowly and systematically so that you can understand the basics of it before we move on to some more advanced stuff. Now, to get the most out of this course, take it in the order that it's given and do the exercises, all right? That way you're going to be able to get the most out of it. Now, lastly, I'm very active as an instructor here on Udemy, and I read every single question and answer every single question personally. So please give me the opportunity to address any questions or concerns or any troubles that you might have. I'm here to help. I typically respond within 24, at most 48 hours. So give me a chance to help you learn, and I look forward to seeing you in the rest of the course.